Okay, 11,000 in a dream. Oh, that is good. Okay.
What shall I
My
play?
hand.
I summon a monster if my monster's effect activates.
Yes. Yes.
What shall I play? I special summon a monster.
Oh, who knew when I should say that? Squire.
Now, I synchro summon a monster.
Okay, we want to banish
My monster's effect
the
activates.
Squire. Yes. 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 Yes.
My monster's effect activates.
I think a good idea would be destroy a card on the field. Have to use full summon master, not just much. Oh wait, that's level 3. You don't get rid of you.
Let us battle. Allow me to proceed. My monster attacks you directly.
Okay.
You will regret that. Here I go. I
No.
attack you directly. Ah, the light is fading.
Oh my gosh.
My turn comes to an end.
So we have
My turn.
guard, Spirits Master, Shivern. Fuck. I should have said that last turn. It's fine. Yeah, go. Guess the stupid card in the field. Look at that.
I draw. Impressive. I have already seen this in my visions.
Hmm. Three packs. We don't know what. 800 versus 11. 7 versus 700. Hmm. Spiritual master. Hmm. Three cards in a dream.
You, I won, for I was aware of every twist and turn that would occur.
Wow. The beginning hand. Ooh. So we watch card. Okay, so we have this. Yes, come to Papa. That's their starting hand. Look at that. That's a lot of gems. Look at all those gems. We got these unlocked. So we want to get you safe first. We're gonna worry about these three later. Now we want to get Junk Karibo. Okay. Sweet ride.
Witness the next generation of dueling.
Yes. We're getting to this guy. Mark of the Dragonhead. By Sector Security.
Allow me to proceed.
Okay, now we gotta go here and go to 5Ds.
There aren't many like me.
Go back here. Check out this. Well, down. Scan. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Oh my gosh, these guys hug so much. Okay, so first is first.
There aren't many like me.
Yeah, Snowfall deck is pretty terrible. Yeah, look at those. Pitiful. But no worries. We're going to. Nope. Yes. We need to go to Dex. This one. We want to top this deck to this one. Yes. Yes. So we want to use this. Now we want to go to here and get out Mark of the Dragonhead. What do you say? Okay. See? Much better. Useful. Wait, do we have a junk Seachrome? We do not. Crap. We need more cards. Yeah, the rest of the deck is kind of bad. Do we have any tuners? That's sick. We do. Excellent. Yeah, I got garbage. Not yet. Okay, do we want to go for Venom Key Hero? Yes. Okay, we have all 11. I need 2 sets. Okay. Okay, we have next. And then generic combos. Okay. Do I want to duel with him? What do you have? Oh, I have that. That'd be useful. Yeah, most of his cards are pretty good. Let's see. First set. Be special. This one. This one. You. 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 Then a bunch of generic stuff. This would be useful. So let's go. This and then shirt. And then watch quiet. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes. That's really good. Ooh. Pretty good. Ooh, that's really good. Pretty useful. That's amazing. Photo pack. An apple. Excellent. So there'd be 2 more sets to go.